know. Right now, some more go up more dog. Some big investment we have to. Nipper. Forward my dog. Over here, we have to do it. And that is why I got to go there. Man, always a goat, you know. Yeah. Bad charge. Yeah. Get the next two and forward now. Yeah, man, I eat, man. Thank you, Father God. The new day again. Jah no star. Life hard, you know, man. Right, you know, more some more good for do some investment, dog. Jah no star. I wish me see all the boy dollars right, you know, man. Tell you, cause I him know the people them want to go, you know. Man, build up the bedroom there before next year, you know, man. Bad star.
One down,
You know, me just calling him bad charge.
Eh?
Yeah, man, you know, some want a goat for buy dog.
A
Some
goat?
more investment me up here in the dog.
You just say goat dog.
Yeah, man,
Right, then I can get a big Grammy for you, brother.
Liar.
Yeah, man, mother a big Grammy down there, sell, man.
Brother, go film right now. And
Right now?
Yeah, man, and
Alright, but say me I do some chaddy go down there fast, yeah, man.
hurry up,
Yo, I say a 14,
Go
brother.
film right now.
I say
We have money
14,
right.
and a 39,
Do it,
isn't
man.
it? Right? Yeah, man.
Yo, dog, say I want breadfruit there, you know, dog. You say we can clear and breadfruit to go sell, dog. Yo, we are what's get. I'm in the cloud. That's great. No, stone, dog. That. We can fuck. That's great. Yo, dog, we're not pit none. Are we gonna get stone, bro? Get your one there. Here's a two breadfruit and here's a beer we are trying to catch and breadfruit, dog. We're broken. Now go on.
Yo, my
Curse
you know,
my
say
foot,
I'm a
dog.
job man, man.
Dog.
You
Nothing
know,
now
say I'm
go
a
on.
job man, dog.
Yo.
Good job,
Yo.
dog.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
sir.
good, dog. I'm see one of
You want back some?
like, you know, dog.
You want back some?
Come on, go on.
Yo, you man say no one go there, dog.
Yo, big Grammy, dog. The man say I'm going to
Jesus.
Don't say me a real thief or anything, brother. For the time,
so
what
listen,
people
go
never
grab
do
his
that.
goat in the dog.
So we not have to move that goat here, dog. Yo, dog, how we go?
Yo, you go there, what else, dog?
Yo, ready.
Thank you.
Roll.
You ugly. You ugly as fuck. Come here,
No,
brother.
we don't even look at nobody else look there. Where is that young man, Rick? What are you doing?
Everybody see that.
Boy, them gyal got me caught up. That you remember them goat dog. Go for them goat dog. Jah no star. Goat and night up now.
Yeah, so me tie big ground.
I don't understand this, man. It's a must joke, sir. So how that go to that? The dog them thief, my goat star. I'm gonna have to go call the police, sir. Yes, Sarge.
Oh, yes sir, yes sir.
You know, me miss a goat today though, Sarge.
Hold on. Before you talk to me, please provide me with your name.
Yes, sir. Bobby.
Yeah, where you located?
Top of the hill. Me know you know Stanley.
Yeah, me know, brother Stanley good man. Me and brother Stanley go to school together, man.
Yeah, man. Right at the orange shop below.
Me hear about that place, you know, come here, so then rape and go around the two, you know. Right now, I'm going to take your statement from you, sir.
You know, me miss a goat today though, Sarge. Me don't know what time's about. Me tie goat from morning and he miss right now. Me can't find my goat, Sarge. Right on the hill, the orange shop. Sure. Yes, officer. I'm a credit done now, sir.
Oh, yes sir. Alright, I'm coming because me hear about that damn place now. See, a big goat thief around the amazing sex call around there, but me I come here.
Alright, officer.
Alright, no worry yourself, boss. Alright. Yeah.